So, you're starting another BIM project, but you're not sure everyone involved has access to the building information they need. Why? Because BIM projects often include only a few people gathering multidiscipline models, running clashes, and distributing reports back to the design and engineering teams, while at the same time running detailed analysis and scheduling for the anticipated build. In other words, not everyone has access to the most up-to-date model information, so every coordination meeting ends up including a long list of concerns that must be reviewed on the spot. What if the power of the cloud could change all that? It can, with Autodesk BIM 360 Glue, a BIM 360 service from Autodesk. With Autodesk BIM 360 Glue, the BIM management process gets a cloud-induced facelift, meaning you don't need to wait on a weekly process. Instead, you can get a synchronous collaboration in which all stakeholders coordinate and communicate, in real time and from anywhere, with access to review the latest project models and run clashes in real time. And checking BIM 360 Glue for the latest updates can be as easy as checking your local weather, helping to reduce the frequency of coordination meetings and promoting productivity through enhanced issue resolution. Teams can even use BIM 360 Glue with their mobile devices to preview structures before they're built and to help see what should be in place as they build it. That's BIM 360 Glue, the glue that holds your BIM process together. Discover BIM 360 today and see how the power of the cloud can transform the way you build.